Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Judy and she chose the theme because tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. These are the manicures we prepared and you can find links to everybody's video in the description box below. Let's get started. For my base, I chose two holographic nail polishes. One from Beauty Big Bang, which is number 008, and the darker shade is from the Born Pretty Store Holo series called Jungle Adventure, number BPH05. I'll be stamping with my gold Maniology stamping polish called Heart of Gold. The design I chose is this beautiful rainbow from the Pueen Love Element stamping plate. I'll have everything linked down in the description box. After applying the polish over the image, I use a scraper card to remove the excess and pick up the design using a stamper, then carefully place it onto my nail. I want to create a full rainbow design going across both nails, so I pick up the same image and angle it correctly on the second nail. Using a small piece of tape, I remove any excess polish from my skin. To add a glossy finish, I'll apply my Nail.Aid Quick Dry Glass Shine Top Coat. And here is the completed design. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!